What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna. This video, I'm going to be installing this 30-inch reddish brown wig that I got from Reshine Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, so go ahead and take a look. I'm showing you how the hair looks right now because in the video, I curled the hair, but I didn't curl it like this. I used like an actual curling iron. This, I used a crimper to get these crimps in here, and I think I actually, at the end, I show you what it looked like, what it looks like straight. But that's not the way I've finally decided to wear the hair. I actually like it like this a lot better, like you've seen in the thumbnail. So I just wanted to give you a peek as to what it looks like, outside of a thumbnail photo pretty much, because this is all you'll be seeing of this style. But if you're interested in how I installed the hair or want to see that process, you got to keep on watching. This video has been brought to you by Reshine Hair. Their information is down below. I am installing a 30-inch reddish brown wig, and it's in a deep wave, but I washed it and so the waves kind of fell. But this is what the construction of the wig looks like. It has an elastic band at the back, as you can see here, along with the normal clips that a usual wig comes with. This is supposed to be their transparent lace, I believe. I did wind up bleaching the knots, and this is what it wound up looking like. So I'm spraying freeze spray into the front of my hair just to prepare my hair for laying the wig cap. But before doing that, I'm just going to take some Laura Mercier translucent powder and put onto the lace of the wig. It's a closure wig, so I don't have to use too much, but I feel like it helps it blend better. So I'm just going to press it into the lace and then use some of my freeze spray again just to seal it in place. And I did blow dry all of that, but I just didn't show it on camera. So I wish I had a better wig cap for this installation, like one that's thinner, but I was stuck with this thick one. But it's okay, only because it's a closure wig. But typically I like to use the thinner stocking caps and the ones that are darker because I feel like it blends a little bit better. But now I'm just going to take my freeze spray, spray the top right here. And I did wind up blow drying that, but also didn't show that on camera. This time I'm using my wig dealer glue. I'm just putting a couple of dots across just the front where the closure is going to lay down, and I'm going to lay or smear that down and blow dry it. And now I'm just going to take some more of my powder and put onto the lace just to make the color blend a little bit better. And then I'm going to adjust that big old strap at the back just to make it a little bit tighter because I like my wig snug on my head. And now I'm just going to go ahead and throw on this wig. I'm going to make sure it's sitting how I want it to, make sure it's in the right place before I melt it into the glue. I'm going to attach the combs on the sides and the back and then pull it down forward. Once the lace is melted how I want to into the glue, I'm going to put this hair up and cut off the lace. I started off using scissors, which was a mistake, and then I switched it up to my my razor blade, just cutting in a downward motion. I've been meaning to look into better ways to cut my lace because I know there's so many other techniques. This is just how I do it for now. But yeah, it works for me. It worked out in the end, but yeah. And now I'm just going to take my freeze spray again really quickly and put it on the front because after cutting the lace, it kind of it didn't lift, but it's not blending how I want it to. So the freeze spray is going to help it melt even better into the glue that's already there. I used to do this with the wig dealer spray, but I ran out of that, unfortunately. So I will be using this freeze spray, and then I'm just going to go through and wrap my edges. So for the style, I'm going to go ahead and do a bust down middle part. I almost thought about doing a side part, but I changed my mind because this is just a closure. So I'm like, let's just do the middle part. So I'm going to go through and take my freeze spray and my wax stick, and I'm just going to part my hair into small sections in the front and hot comb it down. So I'm just going to go through with a layer of my freeze spray, go through with the wax stick, comb through it with the hot comb, and keep going. This helps the top get really, really flat. I still had to wrap my hair later. I didn't show it in the video, but I did because it was kind of hard to get the top to lay as flat as I wanted. So I actually wound up wrapping my hair and putting like a cap, like a baseball cap on top to get it super flat, because this wig is very thick at the top and it's thinner at the bottom. So you kind of got to work with the top a lot to get it as flat as you want. So this is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video when I said I decided to curl my hair first before I decided to flat iron it. Yeah, the curls, I think it's because I used this curling iron. I feel like I should have used a wand with this hair because it's so long. The type of curls that I was putting in the hair, just, it didn't look right to me. And then also because the hair is thicker at the top than it is at the ends, it wound up looking really disproportionate. And I just didn't like how it looked. I also had to go through and pluck my closure a little more, and I also widened my part because it looked a hot mess at first. Like, I was like, oh yeah, no, I couldn't leave my hair looking like this. But yeah, I'll let you see what it looked like curly, but those curls didn't stay. So here's another look at what I was talking about earlier. It wasn't really curls that I put in my hair because all of the curls kind of fell, and well, I kind of brushed it out, and they looked more like this like wavy look, and you can tell it's like super thick at the top, and it just, I'm over here forcing a smile. I was trying to make it work, but I actually liked how it looked straight a whole lot better. It looks even better in person, but it's still a cute color. And it's super long, and I think I really, really like the length, and I like that it's a closure because it's simpler to install. So anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Adios till next time.